Hi again. This video is to explain how to log on to Epic. Epic is an app or a website for those of you using it on the computer that allows your child to access tons of books. It's basically like Netflix, but for books. It also keeps track of their reading for them so that you don't have to write down or keep a reading log. I can automatically see which books your child has read and which assignments they've completed. So you should have this page in your student packet that I dropped off in your mailbox. It has our classroom code. All you have to do is go to getepic.com. You're going to click on Login, select Students, enter your code here, and then select your name. So I'm going to go into this sample account, and it's going to give you a notification that I sent you a book. This is a book that I've assigned to you. You can also see that it ends up in your mailbox up here. So this mailbox will usually have a little red notification that tells you that you do have new assignments for you to read. So if you could do these first, that would be great. I've picked books that are on your child's level and usually something they might be interested in. So it keeps track of your progress. It also will read to your child and show them, highlight the words while reading so that they can track. And then just one more thing from my account, I'm able to see the students' reading logs, so I can tell that some of us have been on already. And let's see here. It also tells me how much time your student spent reading this book. So I was only on this book for 11 seconds. Sometimes you'll see that the books are finished and it only took 2 minutes, and maybe it's not supposed to take just 2 minutes. So make sure that we're not just clicking through the pages, but we're actually reading those books. And then I can keep track of your reading log right from the computer. If you have any questions about Epic, please reach out and let me know. I'm happy to help. Thanks.